everybody, just going to do a quick little booklet here. I'm making some Inchie books for a swap that I'm doing with Becky at Aunt Beck's Creations. If you don't know about her, check out her Facebook and YouTube. This is a Facebook group swap. So if you want to get into the swap, I suggest you go out there and find Aunt Beck and get into the swap. I think it's only open for a couple more days, but it's an Inchie swap. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting some black paper in 1 1/4 inch strips, and then I'm scoring it every 1 1/4 inch because what I want to do is create a page for the Inchies to be mounted onto, and then it'll become a little booklet that gets mailed out to my swap partners. So let's see, I need to do 4. Yeah, I need to do 4 for the swap. So I'm just going to continue marking, scoring, folding, and trimming to make those pages. So I'm just going to use some ribbon as a tie band, belly band around these little booklets. And I want to put those on the background before I actually put something over the front and back. So I'm just going to tack those in place and wrap it around. And then I'm going to add a front and the back and drop in those Inchie pieces. So I have this cute little stamp. It says handmade in Iowa, and I thought, well, that would make an appropriate cover to wrap around the little booklet. So I'm just stamping it up on a piece of scrapbook paper, and I'm going to cut those little rectangles out, and then I'll use those on the exterior of my booklet to hide the ribbon and to make a binding, or a, what do they call that? The seam, the flexible seam on the outside of my booklet. Yeah, can't think of the word. Okay, so it's just going to wrap around and cover the ribbon. So you can see it goes from front to back and holds the piece together. And then I'm going to glue my little Inchies into the inside. And there'll be 6 of them. We have red, yellow, green, blue, and red, yellow, green, blue, orange, and purple. 6 Inchies that are going into the booklet. I'm going to glue these down, and then I'm going to add a few embellishments. Don't want them to be too thick because it is a little book and you still want to be able to close the book. So I'm just going to get a few little sticker things and whatever I have to embellish the page with. Some flowers. Have this little stamp that has emojis on it, and it didn't turn out really dark, so I thought I better color the emojis. Sunglasses, little word stickers, you know, that's the kind of thing that you put into an Inchie. So nothing major, just creating my little booklet. And then I'll put those into some baggies and wrap it all up. Send it off to Aunt Beck. She's going to do the actual exchange. So we're sending everything to her, and then she'll dole them out. So, yeah, I need to glue that a little bit better. It looks like it's popping off. So I'll get some better glue and get it down. So let me just give you a little closer look at this. This is the little book. On the outside it says enjoy. This is a sticker. You can make these any way you want, but I'm going to tie this off with a ribbon right here in the front. And then this is the little accordion fold booklet that's inside here. And you can see the first page says made in Iowa. It's got some little emojis, says life is good. There's art with the orange and the red and the orange and yellow peppers. And here's a blue page with some little flowers, and the purple page and the green page. And back here in the back is a little state of Iowa with my name and a heart. And so we're going to wrap that all up. And I'm just going to clip this until it dries. And then this is going to get tied in a bow, like so, to do my closure. And that's it for an Inchie book. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure that you go follow Aunt Beck and her Facebook group if you want to get into this. And I will see you again next time.